Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
If you've been following the latest updates, you know that DALL E3 is now integrated directly into ChatGPT. This is a game changer, folks. First things first, let's talk about creating an image. With DALL E3, you can generate high-quality images from text prompts right inside ChatGPT. It's as easy as typing what you want to see, and boom, the AI works its magic. Imagine you need a picture of a sunset over a mountain range with a river flowing through. Just type that in, and within seconds, you'll have a stunning visual. Now, let's move on to one of my favorite features, Inpainting. Inpainting allows you to edit parts of an existing image by describing the changes you want. Got an image where you wish the sky was more dramatic? Or maybe you want to add an object that wasn't there before? DALL E3 can handle that with ease. Just highlight the area you want to change, describe your vision, and let the AI do its thing. Here's a cool tip. After you've used Inpainting to modify an image, DALL E3 generates a new text prompt that describes the updated image. You can copy this prompt and use it as a basis for further edits or to generate similar images. This is incredibly useful for maintaining consistency across a series of images or for iterating on a design. Since the DALL E3 update, being able to use it directly within ChatGPT is a huge win for creators. This integration streamlines the workflow, making it more intuitive and accessible. Whether you're a professional designer, a content creator, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI, DALL E3 offers tools that can significantly enhance your creative process. So get in there, start creating, and let your imagination run wild with DALL E3 and ChatGPT. Can't wait to see what you all come up with.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.